All right, everyone, we have a new little product from Tusk. This is the Solid Handlebar Mounts. We have these for a lot of different bikes. I just put a set on my Honda 450 not too long ago. And what these are is kind of known as rubber killers. And they replace the rubber bushings that you use on your handlebar mounts. So why would you want these versus the rubber ones? Well, the rubber handlebar mounts, they're fine, but the issue that I've had, a lot of other riders have, is that one, over time, the rubber just kind of breaks down, it gets soft, it gets brittle. The other big issue is that when you crash, the rubber, because it's not solid, it tends to let your handlebars get tweaked and bent up pretty easily. And if you've ever had something as simple as a tip over, you get up, you're like, oh, my handlebars are twisted. A lot of times because those rubber bushings in there, they're just easy to get twisted up. So with these, you eliminate that problem, and they're just a direct replacement for the OEM bushings on your handlebar mount. Very easy to install. So if you're like me and you don't want to have to worry about your handlebars getting twisted up when you go down, these are a simple way to help eliminate as much of that as possible. It's another reason that I run the Ride Engineering one-piece handlebar mount, is for that exact reason. And I will say there is one downside that you will hear some people talk about, that by taking away the rubber bushings, you are going to take away some of the vibration damping that you have up in the front of the bike. And yes, you know, that is true, but I've ridden with these and it's so minimal that I don't notice a difference when I ride with these. So it's not really something that I'm very concerned with, but don't take my word for it, read rider reviews. But like I said, if you're looking for a simple way to just replace those rubber mounts or those bushings, help eliminate your bars getting twisted up when you go down, these things are awesome. Click the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. We ship for free over 75 bucks. And if you want to stay up to date on cool little products like these, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.